What's the difference between jaguars and leopards? How can you tell jaguars and leopards apart? Both of these big cats are spotted, toothy, whiskered, and, well, huge. But there are plenty of differences that can tip you off, including their anatomy, behavior, and geographic ranges. If you love learning about wildlife, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal comparisons. Jaguars are known for their powerful barrel-shaped bodies, which give them a robust and muscular appearance. They typically inhabit dense forests and river valleys, environments that suit their stealthy hunting style and affinity for water. In fact, jaguars are enthusiastic swimmers and are often found near rivers or lakes, where they hunt aquatic prey and cool off. Leopards, on the other hand, have a slim and sleek physique, built for agility and speed. They prefer the open landscapes of savannas, where their spotted coats provide excellent camouflage among tall grasses. Unlike jaguars, leopards tend to avoid water whenever possible. They're not fans of getting wet and are rarely seen swimming. Spots, sizes, and more in jaguars and leopards. Let's start with their gorgeous patterned fur. Both felines are covered with large, flower-shaped blotches called rosettes. In jaguars, Panthera onca, these rosettes frequently contain little black spots. Leopard, Panthera pardus, rosettes don't have those markings, and they tend to be larger. The difference in head shape is another giveaway. A jaguar's head is markedly bigger and broader. That's because these particular cats, which have the strongest bite relative to body size of any feline, have an especially brutal method of killing prey. They drive their tough canine teeth straight through skull bones and into their victims' brains. Leopards prefer suffocating their prey with a well-placed bite to the throat and then dragging the kill into a tree to eat in peace. Compared side by side, leopards and jaguars show differences in overall body type as well. Leopards are much slimmer creatures with longer limbs and tails, looking comparatively sleek to the jaguar's bulkier, barrel-shaped torsos. Perhaps the biggest difference between jaguars and leopards is their geographic range. Jaguars are found only in the Western Hemisphere, from northeastern Argentina all the way up to southern Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas, though honestly, sightings in the United States are pretty rare. Leopards, on the other hand, are now found in pockets of sub-Saharan Africa and Asia, reaching as far east as the Sea of Japan. However, the leopard's historical range was much larger, covering all of sub-Saharan Africa, as well as vast sections of the Caucasus, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, China, and Southeast Asia. Jaguars and leopards are adapted to different habitats as well. Jaguars usually live in forests, scrublands, swamps, and river valleys, often sticking close to rivers or streams, and they're actually really good swimmers. Lightly built leopards, meanwhile, live in savannas and grasslands, where they often climb trees to rest or scan for prey. Both jaguars and leopards are members of the genus Panthera, along with lions and tigers. Collectively, these four are known as the roaring cats. The term panther, though, usually describes either leopards or pumas. And yeah, it can get a bit confusing, but only leopards and jaguars can be black panthers. They're the only big cats known to exhibit melanism, which is just an overabundance of the pigment melanin that gives them a charcoal tone and almost hides their spots. The actual puma, or panther, scientifically called puma concolor and also known as a cougar, mountain lion, or catamount, does not experience melanism.